Back to Product Zone. Today we have here's the Kebtek electric pruning shear. This is a powerful, lightweight, cordless battery. This thing has amazing review. Today we're going to unbox it, put it to the test. The good thing about this, it comes with a case, which is a plus. A sturdy, nice looking case. When you buy a tool and you have a case, it's a plus. I don't care what people say. Case, you could store them nicely and they fit, and it's safe and protects. Case is a big plus. Now we have the instruction right here. So if you're having like wrist problem, or you're having a hard time cutting stuff, branches and pruning, this thing comes in really handy. So if we look at it right now here, look, we have the USB charger, we have the tool right here itself. Comes nicely plastic wrapped with a Ziploc. Oh, look at that. I love when company takes the time and they wrap the stuff and protect it nicely so it's not damaged. So this is the 16.8 volt. This is perfect. If you're gonna lube, you put some oil. You're gonna put your oil right here, between right here. That's where you put your oil right there. And this is this is how you start it up. We're gonna show you. Now it comes with 2 battery. It comes with the, let's see, I think this is the tool to tighten it up and stuff like that. Yep, comes with the Allen key. All right, so right here, it comes with a couple Allen keys and a screwdriver to tighten up your tools, to make adjustment, or if anything happen. And it comes in a nice case. Look at this pouch. Love this pouch. It's a nice leather pouch. Ooh. All right, so right here we have the charger. Comes with a headpiece too, so you don't have to buy the headpiece. And we have the oil bottle right here. There's no oil inside, but you could just put oil. And we have comes with 2 battery, which is amazing. When you buy a tool, please buy one with 2 battery. For more price and details, check in the description box. I'll leave the link. These are powerful, fast rechargeable battery. All right, so with the batteries, you got 2 batteries. There's a plus in case one die. And what do? You just put that in right there, snap it in. And the bonus thing about this, if you look right here, you power right there, and it tells you how much bar the batteries have, how much life. So that's a good plus. And all you do is look, check this out. Look at that. That's amazing. I love this. Let's put this to the test. All right, so I'm gonna go with a light baby small branch first to show you guys. Look. Oh my God. Oh, this thing cut like butter. All right, we're gonna go check this out. Ready? Look at this, right? Cut. Look at this. Cut. All right, this is a big one. Let's see. We're gonna put this to the test. I can't even. Oh, snap! This thing is powerful. You could just go around and prune all over everything. Easy. This thing is powerful, guys. Check in the description box. Get your hand on something that actually works, and for the price, you can't go wrong. It's amazing. It's a good budget price, and with the case and the battery, 2 batteries, how can you go wrong? Cut all day. After testing this out, I'm telling you, I give this a thumbs up. It even surprised me because I did not expect the power that this little thing have. And I do gardening, I do my own landscaping, I do a lot of stuff. And I'm a farmer contractor, and I gotta tell you, I'm not trying to sell you guys this. I'm just letting you know it works amazing. It works good, and it cuts fast. It makes your life easy. Don't forget to check in the description box for more price and detail. This thing comes with free, look, if you need a service, 1-year service, 30 days money guaranteed back, and 2 years limited warranty. 2 years. Most companies only give you 1 year. You don't have to worry about pulling an extension cord. You don't have to, tangle up and stuff. Use the battery. Get the one with 2 batteries. In case this battery die, you use this battery, put that battery to charge. It's fast charging. And when you're done for winter time, if you're living in a zone of winter time, store it in your case and put it up safely and nicely, which will last for a long time. This company has a good reputation. They're really good company, strong, good material. It's not cheesy material. It's actually sturdy. It's good. It's worth it. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. It's free. Get real reviews. See the product before buying it. Don't just go buy product just like that you have no knowledge about. So subscribe to Product Zone, and don't forget to check this out. Link in the description box.